Hi guys, today I'm gonna be renovating this forklift from 1972, I believe. It's of course a Matchbox. As you see, the paint is a little bit gone places, stickers on the sides are gone, and unfortunately one of the forks is broken. But this whole thingy is pretty cool. It comes out and goes in, and if this was functional, you could lift the forklift and you could get it down. It has a little cute steering wheel here. In any case, cute little things all around. But because this is broken and I don't want to bother replacing no parts, I'm just gonna clip it off. I actually have a plan of what I'm gonna do instead of forklift. A little bit hard to clip with that regular scissors, but it worked. Okay, then I'm gonna start with, I don't like this one either, but I'm not sure how I'm gonna remove this. Try to clip it, like maybe there. Oi, I want to break the yellow thing. Oh, one thing came off. Try to clip this. It doesn't go so easy. There. It comes. I'm gonna leave this, the rest of the stuff, that's fine. I'm gonna cover it with the paint. Alright. So I picked my colors. This yellow thing is gonna become, actually don't know what it's called, but I'm just gonna make it green. I'm gonna move my scissors and stuff. Today I'm actually in the mood for a little bit more vibrant colors, like this very nice green. I think is gonna make a whole lot of difference. Sometimes I'm in the mood for this kind of colors, sometimes I'm more like into pastels and stuff. It's a little bit depending on the mood. Okay, I'm gonna start turning. I'm gonna cover stuff here. I'm gonna try not to get a lot of paint on the wheels, but it's okay if I do. It's a little color here and there, not gonna hurt anybody. There. Get a little bit more into here. Turn, go here. And we're almost done with this. And get a little bit more inside there. See what we missed. Okay. All covered, good and nice. Good. I'm thinking that I should probably make a seed green too, because it's gonna match that thing fork, and I think it's gonna be super nice to have a little bit of this more green here on the seat. Here. Here. And on this side. Okay, I think it's already turned pretty cute. Now, I'm gonna clean up my brush and move on to the rest. Okay, moving on to the rest, I'm gonna use this very nice blue paint and see how it works with the rest and the green stuff there. Yeah, I think it's gonna work just perfect, really. There. And you get this little details. This grill or whatever it's called here is really nice. Or maybe this is just the stairs, so I'm sorry. I'm not very good at this stuff. Okay, you're gonna get inside there and make it all nice. There. A little bit more here before. There. Okay, I'm gonna move on to the back and start with this part. There. Stickers are not savable, so I'm just painting over those. Do there. Turning pretty nice, I think. The combination of green and blue actually is one of my favorite ones. There you go. It's almost done. Here we go. Finish up inside here and here. 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 Okay, now it's pretty much done. What I have left is part behind there. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish that up. There. Actually, my brush cooperated really nice with me today. There was not a lot of spillage. Okay, push this back here. And should I do something with steering wheel? I think I should. I'm gonna clean up my brush and get this real nice light green, and I'm gonna give the steering wheel a little touch there. It's gonna be like centerpiece of this whole forklift. Okay, now I was thinking, since it's no longer a forklift, it's gonna be a luggage carrier. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this one here. It's a little suitcase I found for it. And that's, oh, I actually see that I messed up a little bit. Give me a second before judging. Gonna fix this up. Okay, there. So this is my version of Matchbox Forklift. There you go. I think it turned out super nice. If you guys have any opinions, please leave me some comments. And yeah, thank you. Bye-bye.